तो गाइस एज यू कैन सी हम लोग तीन ही लोग हैं बिकॉज हमारा चौथा साथी बीमार पड़ गया है बिकॉज एज
सही.
यू नो सम बग गोइंग अराउंड आई फेल sick right before
Yeah.
the Bangalore and Pune shows. Now Baba has fallen sick, Nikita is sick, and welcome Adar who's going to fall sick because he's come from 5 degrees to 742 degrees. Welcome. क्या मजेदार था भाई आपकी
Yes.
एंट्री.
Yeah, by the way, for
आते
those
ही
of you,
आते ही सीधा.
हाँ,
हाँ.
बोल आदर.
It's like within 48 hours, I was on stage to, like, I've been performing in London and things like that. It's just when you come here, there was a decibel level. There was certain etiquette that had come with a UK audience. बहुत loud audience है. I really enjoyed it. But there is something about people here that suddenly it's like, अरे चल, चिल्लाओ.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. So for those of you who don't know, we did a Mumbai show a few days ago, and Adar was the full surprise. So all of you who were at the Mumbai show, comments में बताओ कैसा लगा आपको surprise. Also, now that Adar is here, एक ही सिटी बची है, हैदराबाद. क्या कर रहे हो? बच्चे कुछ टिकट से ले लो, खत्म कर दो. बाकी हर जगह सब लोग ने सोल्ड आउट कर दिया है. तुम भी कर दो. Now you're going to get to see four of us. All four of us are going to be there, and we have a lot of fun stuff planned. So please, जो लोग भी खरीद रहे टिकट्स खरीद लो. नीचे डेड एंड कॉमेडी अवार्ड्स का भी है, तो उस पे भी कर दो. तुम लोग हर साल जिताते हो, ये साल भी जिता दो. एंड गूगल फॉर्म्स भी है क्योंकि यूरोप एटसेट्रा भी प्लान हो रहा है. सो या एंड विल टॉक मोर, बट पहले इंट्रो ले लेते हैं. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random incident, we self facts and trivia, as well as stories, and we talk about it. I fucked up the intro, but guess who didn't fuck up? The audience who came for this show. They were really good. They knew it better than I did. तो vlogs कैसे लग रहे हैं तुम लोगों को? Guys, please let us know in the comments here and in the comments on the vlog, क्योंकि काफी सारा fun shoot हुआ है over these 2 days of traveling with Baba and
Oh
Kautuk.
yeah.
मैंने देखा vlog and it's like, first of all, that makes you FOMO. बहुत FOMO होता है. Also the fact that Baba on some level is right. Some of the best moments we have, like before the last show, Kautuk and I had a laughing fit while Varun was changing. Kautuk and I have laughed for 15 and we didn't record it. The fact that you guys have managed to record yourselves in those moments, which are stupid and funny, just is a testament to the fact that these guys were committed to shooting the vlog, which they are still committed to doing.
Dude, shooting, editing, putting it up, putting thumbnail. There's a bunch of stuff you have to be committed to.
Yeah.
But
A lot of stuff.
but also the fact that like by the way, just to tell you guys that we are not replacing the podcast
Yeah,
with
people.
the vlog. It was just terrible timing that it came out on Tuesday. There'll be a separate day for the vlogs.
Yeah.
And so the
It came out
podcast.
because we're like, shit, Tuesday we can't put the episode. Okay, fine, the vlog is ready. At least let's put that out. So, but no, this episode is going to be this episode. Vlog is going to be vlog. Sometimes they might intersect, and the
Yeah.
vlog might become the this episode, and the this episode might become the vlog.
Bro, honestly, like
Become the vlog.
there's so much we leave out from the vlog.
Yeah, guys.
I
It's
mean,
not even stuff we can show with memberships. Like,
yeah.
we'll have to pay you to not.
But, I
not
mean, it's literally stuff we have to upload on OnlyFans. That's what it is.
Yeah.
It is just Baba in his element.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, it would be great. Yeah, but this is what happens at an uncensored show. Stuff can be said that we are doing on stage, which will never release again. So that's why get the damn tickets and come, because that's what the show is about.
तो अदर
Okay.
मस्त पे की क्या बैकग्राउंड है तेरा, पता तो इसके बारे में.
I swear.
ये मेरी मम्मी का सिलेक्शन है. This is my welcome home headrest for my bed, and it's just how
It's giving a तख्त vibe.
yeah, it's just अभी आएगा पीछे से रणवीर सिंह मेरे को डराने आएगा.
खली बली हो गए हैं दिल. बट तू पॉडकास्ट चालू होने के पहले कुछ हम लोगों को बहुत ही फनी चीजें सुना रहा था, तो क्यों ना लोगों को भी सुना दे तू वो.
All right. So I've just found a bunch of random stuff on the internet, which is what the show was about. It's just random things sometimes. And did you guys know that there is an Eiffel Tower in Paris?
What? Yes.
There is an
Really?
actual Eiffel Tower in Paris, and तुम लोग ऊपर तक, if you just Google Pakistan Eiffel Tower, जो 300 रुपए में तुम
तूने
लोग,
बोला, do you know there's a Eiffel Tower in Paris?
oh sorry, my
Yeah. मैं बोला, what the fuck do you mean? Yes. Yes.
There is
I thought the joke was about the fact that here is a fact that you already know.
no,
Like that's what I thought the joke was.
there's slip of tongue. There's an Eiffel Tower in Pakistan. Sorry. And you can go to the top for 300 rupees. And it's an exact replica. And it is shockingly accurate. If you just Google Pakistan Eiffel Tower. And
There's-
it's a prop. Yeah.
There's one in Mahim also, no? Kanakya Paris has made.
क्या Paris? नहीं, वैसे तो चाइना में भी है, bro. चाइना में they have a whole bunch of these cities that they've made, and they thought that the way they'll get people to come and stay there is, why the fuck do you want? Why visit Paris?
Why go to
visit Paris?
London?
मैं आईफिल टावर तेरे लिए लेके आया तेरे घर के पास, रोज देख. और उन्होंने फुल एग्जैक्ट चाइना में रेप्लिका बनाया. मैं बोला बैग जूते तक ठीक था, अभी स्ट्रेट आईफिल टावर. They have made places look like Paris, so you'll feel that you're on around the small number 7, but to China में.
So we are trying to make Bombay look like Shanghai, but Shanghai looks like Paris. And
Yeah.
Paris looks like Milan.
और अपने इधर मिलान सबवे है सिर्फ.
But the crazy thing is that it still will have takers, right? Like you build a like Eiffel Tower anywhere here also, there will be a line of people who will be like, मैं 300 रुपए देख के
वो
देखता
300
तो
रुपया
क्या
क्या
है?
है? हाँ, it's like 3 euro versus 30 कितना 100 euro जितना तेरा उड़ता है.
पब्लिक बनाते जा रहे हैं अभी सब. अब हर जगह आईफिल, हमारे पास भी आईफिल टावर है. पेरिस वाले बोले भैंचोद पब्लिक कम आ रहा है आजकल, क्या हो गया है? मतलब यूजुअली समर में तो फुल होता है, ये 12 लोग क्यों है सिर्फ?
But I don't,
मैं-
हम लोग YouTube चैनल पे we use the wrong song and we get a copyright strike. इन लोग का क्या है copyright infringement
कुछ
of
नहीं.
any? There's literal property being infringed. This is it's not intellectual property. This is actual property.
और ऐसा भी नहीं कि टावर का नाम चेंज कर आईफिल टावर. You know, this thing is like, ये देखो जो नकली वाले जूते वूते मिलते हैं ना इधर स्टेशन पे, तो instead of Adidas you'll have like Adibas, and then Nike में टिक उल्टा साइड का होगा. तो वैसे इन लोग के आईफिल टावर की स्पेलिंग करेक्ट होगी कि IFEL टावर.
हाँ, या
Bro,
टावर का हाँ W उल्टा आएगा या कुछ ऐसा.
No, I think they'll do the Apple thing where they'll be like Eiffel,
हाँ वही तो बोल रहा
IFL.
हूँ.
Eiffel Tower, Eiffel, I falafel.
Good.
चुतिया, और उधर पब्लिक गिर जाए तो I fell tower.
I fell.
I fell from the tower. Are you sure? Yes.
Bro,
Now-
in the Instagram age, though, this is 100% a draw. कि public literally like their ambition is what? कि मैं Eiffel Tower जाके एक selfie लेने का है मेरे को. Right now, how does it, if it looks similar? Ambition, this is ambition, right? But if it looks similar and you blur the background, then you don't see Islamabad in the back. Then you're golden. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
और उन्होंने
Also,
height भी सेम रखा है.
हाँ, नहीं height उतना it's not the same, but
अरे
no, but it's quite high. It's quite high and it lights up. It's got the now apparently this
Oh,
is the thing.
light.
is the thing with the Eiffel Tower. It's a patented light system. If you click a photo of the Eiffel Tower at nights, it's technically illegal.
what?
Yeah.
What?
If you click a photo of the actual Eiffel Tower, every time I made a video and uploaded it, technically it's supposed to be illegal because the lighting that they have, that sparkly thing, is supposed to be a patented lighting system or something. So it's like copyrighted. Yeah. So in the nights,
मैं उसकी लाइटिंग थोड़ी कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो उसकी लाइटिंग का फोटो ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ, but apparently वो उसका footage they own or something, which is weird. You don't own the tower, but तुमने
Eiffel Tower
lighting
copyright strike डाल रहा है तेरे content पे.
यही बचा है अभी, यही बचा है.
T series and Eiffel Tower. You have to pay money to Eiffel Tower remotely every time you put up.
Yeah, but I remember जब मैं आईफिल टावर गया भी ना, I didn't go up or anything. तू गया क्या अभी तक जो इतने साल उधर जब रहा? तू गया
नहीं
कभी?
नहीं मैं
I
ऊपर तक नहीं
just couldn't. I was just like क्या अब ऊपर जाऊं?
अबे ठाकुर, you know something.
तो
So
इतनी लंबी लाइनें थी वहां पर, मतलब fuck that, I'm not standing in it.
CD had gone to Europe with her friend, okay, and they had gone to the Eiffel Tower and they had gone up, right? And Eiffel Tower, Paris, romance, all of that, right? So when she's gone to the top of the Eiffel Tower, she has called me, okay, video called me, and I was in a writing session in your house, Thakur, for Shaitan Haveli at the
क्या
time.
बात कर रहा है?
Okay,
Oh,
so I have taken the call and I'll be like, sorry, babe, I'm in a writing session. I'll call you later.
Oh shit!
And
romance.
to this day, she's like, I went to the Eiffel Tower, I climbed it, I was at top of it. You didn't take my call because you were a writing session.
Oh shit! और अपने को सीजन 2 भी नहीं मिला यार. Shit. Shit.
तो
अबे
मैं गया था अपर्णा के साथ आईफिल टावर पे एंड दिस इज द हर फर्स्ट ट्रिप आउटसाइड व्हिच इज नॉट लाइक दुबई और श्रीलंका और नेपाल यू नो आउटसाइड द सब कॉन्टिनेंट इट वाज हर लाइक मैसिव लाइक यूरोपियन फर्स्ट ट्रिप तो शी कम्स और मैं उसको लेके गया आईफिल टावर पे वो गार्डन में बैठ के रात को दिस इज द फर्स्ट नाइट देयर वो थकी हुई है जेट लैग्ड है मैं बोला नहीं हम लोग जा रहे हैं आईफिल टावर तो एक वाइन का बॉटल लिया चीज लिया चॉकलेट लिया और एक मैट लिया और ऐसा कपड़ा वहां पे चद्दर बिछा के हम लोग बैठने वाले और ऐसा लाइट्स देखेंगे व्हेन इट लाइट्स अप नाउ व्हाट पीपल डोंट टेल यू अबाउट दैट एरिया एट नाइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वहां पे बहुत सारा अपना ब्राउन गाइज आर ट्राइंग टू सेल बियर and just constantly bothering you when you're trying to have romance. And second thing is if you open chocolates and bread and all that food at the Eiffel Tower at night time,
चूहे.
rats,
Yeah.
the biggest rats I have ever seen.
अबे
इतना इन
पिक्सार
लोग
ने
में
डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाया इस पे.
हाँ they came and they started there's like ऐसे चॉकलेट मत खाओ उसने मेरा चूहे ने मेरा ऐसा बिस्किट लिया उसमें चॉकलेट डाला और चूहा हमको दे रहा है ऐसा खाना चाहिए
तेरा बाल पकड़ गया ऐसे.
ऐसा मेरे को किधर अभी मेकआउट कर
तो आया चूहा आया.
अरे डूड कितने आई सॉ पीपल रनिंग एंड लाइक क्या हो रहा है वहां पे एंड आई एम सीइंग शैडोज आई वाज लाइक अरे क्या बिल्ली से डर रहे
Rise
लोग
of the planet of the rats.
इट्स नॉट अ कैट इट वाज अ रैट ये कैसा है कितना खाया ये चूहे ने
Bro, हम लोग को जब भी लेना था ना फोटोज, I remember we had gone to this restaurant and we knew of this one street. So yes, another way is that people are tired ना कि तब एक बार आईफिल टावर जाएगा फोटो कैसे लेगा, बट थोड़े उधर ऐसे लेन्स है through which you are able to see it. तो हम लोग ने एक रिसर्च करके रखा था. We went to a restaurant right next to that lane, खत्म किया खाना और चल के गए and you can see this beautiful lane और उसमें देखो आईफिल टावर दिख रहा है which somehow looks more beautiful than when you are actually at it. एंड में क्या है, स्टील का वेंचो टावर ही तो है, उसमें वोडाफोन नहीं देगा तो किसको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा चूतिया क्या है.
एक सेकंड ठाकुर, hold your horses.
वेट
You have just compared one of the most iconic landmarks
नहीं
in
अ
world's
वंडर ऑफ द
culture.
वर्ल्ड
And you have said कि इस पे एक वोडाफोन का सिग्नल डाल देगा तो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा.
अरे उसको घुमा वहां पे पलकेश जा रहा है
मतलब बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है लेकिन एंड में तो टावर ही है ना एक, ठीक है. तो हम लोग दूर से टावर देखने में मजा आ रहा है, वो अच्छा ज्यादा रोमांटिक लग रहा है. सोचना एक लोखंड का टावर, अरे वाह रोमांटिक. जब हम लोग बैठ के बना रहे थे किसी ने कुछ नहीं था ये उसके दिमाग में कि अरे ये देख के रोमांटिक फील होने लग जाएगा पब्लिक को. कैन यू फकिंग इमेजिन ऐसे देख रहे टावर, ओ फक लव यू.
guys speaking of romance okay this is a second piece of news
Hmm.
you know weddings you know it's just everybody started trying to one up each other in romance at weddings and the entrance of the bride and groom is huge
Hmm.
so recently there was this couple in America who decided to enter wo jo walk hota hai bride and groom decide to enter their reception on fire.
What?
Oh dude, I saw this video. I saw
Someone
this
has
video.
lit them on fire and they are walking for their reception.
Dude, I saw this video. पहले मेरे को लगा ये AI वाला है, लेकिन AI नहीं है भाई. आए देख जल रही है पब्लिक. Oh fuck. Oh
Oh
fuck.
my God.
Why? Why would you do
But
that?
by the way, if you watch that video at one point, ना, they start off very this. फिर एक को आग लगने लगता
बाद में चिपकने लगता
है. You watch them, they start going little fast. This was a bad decision. I couldn't have lit myself.
Thakur, you know what this is? I figured it out. This is just a great way to get out of taking pictures at your reception.
आओ ना, आओ साइड में. अरे आओ ना चाचा जी.
नहीं मैं दूर से. मैं वैसे मामा हूँ तुम्हारा, लेकिन दूर से.
कि तू तेरा शादी भी है और हवन भी तू ही है.
कोई रिलेटिव आएगा नहीं तेरे पास और पूछेगा ये पहचाना क्या? पहचान नहीं, पास में हो ना, थोड़ा लाइट में आओ. आग
वो इतना जल रहा है, थोड़े टाइम के बाद तू उसको नहीं पहचानेगा.
The sad part about this
God.
couple is every point after this wedding is going to be them cooling off from each other.
Yeah. Seriously, what are you guys doing for your first honeymoon? I don't know, lying down in snow.
or they keep one-upping this. कि अभी हम लोग शादी किया जला
Now
के.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself, and then she's going to blindfold, and we're going to shoot the apples off top of each other's head. Very love you.
Second anniversary, we're diving into a volcano while it erupts.
Violated us, yeah.
Dude, उनकी शादी करा रहा है वो लोग कैसे? नहीं, आपको अग्नि के आपको 7 फेरे लेने हैं. You don't have to become
Bro, this is like a stuntman's wedding, na? This is.
yeah, maybe most likely.
For sure.
कि Rohit Shetty cop universe, but also wanted to get married.
And now pronounce it man and wife. You may now put Bernal on your. And sorry, baby, I love you. थोड़ा एलोवेरा लगा ले. Shit. ये नहीं करना है भाई.
You know, you think
दूर चली गई. कोई पास में नहीं आ रहा है. सब भाई चीते किधर आ गए हम लोग यार. ये तो आइटनरी में नहीं लिखा था.
सोच अगर बारबेक्यू नेशन, if they had meat that you have to make at your own table, it's like bride and groom पे सब लोग खाना पका के खा रहे हैं. जैसे आप अपना मीट यहाँ
उसमें तो assumption कि वो जलते ही जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, कि थोड़ा जलना बंद होता है, पब्लिक और थोड़ा घासलेट इसमें
तंदूर लगाया हुआ उसपे.
that's damn good.
ना तो बहुत अच्छा था. लेकिन मैंने टिक्की टिक्का खाया कि ग्रूम का पीठ मुझे नहीं पता, बट इट वाज टेस्टी.
Oh man.
अच्छा, from weddings to now having children, a new study has found that there are microplastics in every human testicle that was examined.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
fuck.
The entire case
Every?
study.
That's-
जो भी केस स्टडी में जो बंदे थे,
अच्छा,
every
हाँ.
every
मतलब
human testicle.
3
But
billion.
it's like, but then it was a wider net. Like, I'm sure that when the study was conducted, it's like a big diaspora of human beings that they've taken to forth. It's like every person.
Bro, the last thing you want to recycle.
is testicles.
देगा किधर?
You see the shoe? It used to be.
Fuck. So then इसका क्या है फिर? अभी टेस्टिकल में प्लास्टिक है तो उसके बाद
No, it's just
ये
at some
पास होके जा रहा है.
No, so I think it's our water, it's our food, it's our dietary habits, and that has slowly just led to microplastics just being everywhere in us.
This is why Adar is vegan for real.
Yeah,
क्योंकि
that's
तू
why I have
क्योंकि
ultra processed
वीगन
food.
पानी तो पीते हैं ना, लेकिन वीगन है मतलब पानी तो पीता है. पानी में भी है माइक्रोप्लास्टिक.
Yeah, पानी में सबसे ज्यादा problem because
सबसे
these
ज्यादा है.
countries,
Oh.
most of these countries are. मैं तो टैप से पानी पी रहा हूँ, and constantly every white person who's come to
लेकिन
my house,
अभी तो
they
बाहर
just
जाता है
tell
ना.
me this is slow poison. I was like, dude, मैं कैंट आरओ से पिया पानी, so this is good for me.
मेरे
मैं
पास
100%
हेमा मालिनी की गारंटी है.
Yeah.
ठीक है? तेरे पास है क्या? क्योंकि अगर सबके टेस्टिकल में प्लास्टिक है तो अभी अपने बच्चे क्या बारबी और केन जैसे निकलेंगे.
It's just सीधा action figure. No plastic surgery needed.
फिर उसको एक रियल बच्चा देना पड़ेगा खेलने के लिए उसके साथ.
but that will be a segment.
हो जाएगा बच्चा.
Yeah.
कैन का मतलब जो भी तेरा नाम.
That will be a whole new segment of surgery, na? Microplastic surgery.
Yeah.
It doesn't add plastic, it takes it out.
God.
फिर आगे
अच्छा,
बोल.
अभी एक I found certain something Kautuk would be enjoying. What's the simplest place you would take a girl out on a first date?
A restroom,
Yeah, a coffee. It's like
a
the
coffee.
simplest
Sure.
thing today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now China has taken that on another level, where they've started adding squids. The Starbucks in China has squids in the coffee.
What?
Yes, they have started serving coffee. There is a certain shop that has squids in the coffee. Sorry, this is not Starbucks. This is a coffee shop in China that serves octopus latte.
ऑक्टोपस बना रहा है तेरे लिए, ऑक्टोपस को डाला है तूने अंदर,
Octopus बना रहे हैं, तो it's actually a
ये
great
बोले,
investment because वो
वो
आठ
आर्ट बनाएगा
हाँ
ऐसे, ऐसे उधर ऑक्टोपस कॉफी है इधर, सर व्हाट वुड यू लाइक, कैपुचिनो, बना भाई, पब्लिक बना रहा है, it's ready already, yes,
Yeah.
not only yours, Mark, Kevin, Adar, Kautuk, everybody's coffee is ready, but I just don't worry, we have a guy.
और ऑक्टोपस सबका नाम भी सही ले रहे हैं, तो it's like oh wow, well done. And there's stuff like okay, there's
But wait, you can't move on from this, man.
Yeah,
nah, it's
you
the
Was
have
the
same.
octopus?
in our coffee.
Oh, there's more. Huh.
There's more coffees. Like, acha, you know how they've started doing weird. The cups have started getting really weird. Like, how weird can a cup get?
तो ऑक्टोपस भी पी रहा है,
नहीं, तो कैप्सिकम के
Ew.
अंदर कॉफी. But the good thing about
That's
capsicum coffee is
disgusting.
उसका कवर बायोडिग्रेडेबल है और कवर भी आता है साथ में.
देखो कितने लोग दिख रहे हैं जो हाथ में एक कैप्सिकम पकड़ के रोज काम पे कर रहे हैं भाई, सबसे टॉप ऑफ द मॉर्निंग, और फिर से कैप्सिकम से पिएगा, ईक्स, दैट्स डिस्गस्टिंग.
And then there's French onion soup, but then there's also
Oh,
spring
God.
onion coffee.
Oh.
Kautuk is waiting to catch the flight to whichever country that video is from.
China. This is China.
क्या चल रहा है भाई चाइना में, onions.
This is when you don't have time for your salad and your coffee. एक साथ.
Wow.
No, but it's all about like biodegradability now and things like that and sustainability, especially in fashion. So in Chile, they actually had a fashion show at a clothes garbage dump. So there's a massive clothes dump, and this is not just for Chilean clothes. Apparently, all the other countries have been exporting their junk and tossing it in South America, in Chile.
Oh,
So there's
really?
this massive clothes
This
dump
is
in
a-
Chile.
It's a big scene across the world. तेरे
No, I
first,
didn't know that they were taking it to Chile.
Yeah, so
not
all
just
of these,
Chile, even in
yeah.
other countries.
I thought it was
Yeah.
going to Deonar.
Indonesia also has one of the biggest garbage dumps. And so it's like in this place there was like all these discarded clothes, and what they did was सबको ऐसा line में लगाया, and they created a ramp and they did a fashion show amongst all the discarded clothes.
Wow.
Did
That's-
they take the clothes from there for the fashion show?
नहीं वो clothes से उन लोग ने ramp बनाया, and then like fashion.
You know, so they did this. They all came back. They high fived each other. They said, "Listen, we've done a bit for the environment." When the show got done, then everybody was packing up, and they're like, "Sir, ये कपड़े को क्या करो?" And he's like, "फेंक दे इधर, फेंक दे इधर, हो गया अपना, अपना कर लिया अपन ने, कार्बन फुटप्रिंट सब माइनस, अभी निकल प्राइवेट जेट, चल निकल दे, वापस पेरिस जाना है मुझे, लेट हो रहा है."
But this is also a thing that's worth talking about, which is that this whole thing of fast fashion, right?
Yeah,
कि
it's stuff like Shein and to a certain
all of
extent
them.
Zara
Yeah.
and
Zara,
H&M. Yeah.
bro, they like earlier they used to wait for the season to change, right? Before they change the collection. अभी तो ऐसा, you come next Sunday, you see.
हाँ.
आग लगा देंगे.
आग लगा देंगे. और ब्रो इसका अपने इधर आता है, उन लोगों का 1984 का कलेक्शन स्प्रिंग समर अभी आ रहा है, इन लोग ऐसे कुछ अजीब
Mid-season sale. There's something called mid-season sale now, which I wasn't aware of. It's like mid season में तेरा खत्म हो गया टाइटा फिश.
मिड सीजन सेल के बीच में भी एक सेल चालू है.
Yeah,
Further
but
sale
but
inside.
that's true. There is a monsoon sale, summer sale, winter sale, autumn sale, mid-season
Then
sale,
there's Diwali sale,
Diwali
Independence
sale,
Day sale, then there's
Independence Day
Christmas
sale.
sale.
There's more sales than seasons. एक टाइम में सीजन खत्म हो गया. भाई कुछ नया है नहीं सर. ऑटम, स्प्रिंग, समर, विंटर.
अबे तो इतना ही डिस्काउंट दे रहा है तो प्राइस ही कम कर देना. How about that? No?
नहीं, मैं तेको बेचेश महंगे में, और जब मेरा लास्ट पीस तक नहीं गया ना, तब तक मैं तेको निचोड़ूंगा.
But the
Because you
idea,
know, the minute they
हाँ,
drop the price, it goes boom. So
see,
you
you
can't.
don't want to buy the iPad because it says 699. It's because it was 999 and now
हाँ.
it's 699. वो जो
Yeah.
देखो ऐसा लाइन मार के जो रेड में लिखा होता है ना, ओ दिस हैज बीन रिड्यूस, ओ 4,000 रुपया बच गया.
Bro, ये जब ऑनलाइन जब सेल्स होते हैं ना तो it's damn funny. People share these screenshots where they're like laptop, 49,999. On the day of the sale, it is 40% off. 49,999.
Yeah, but dude, that's psychologically वो भी होता है ना. The brain is trained to read the numbers where any number that's smaller, like a 2.99, feels much smaller than a 3.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So no,
Why do you think our
that's
tickets are
actually-
priced 499, 79999?
yeah, and not only no, and obviously it's smaller than 3, but the difference is so little, but in your brain it automatically feels so much more कि नहीं चल ये शबी. अरे यार सोचना, मुझे ये टी शर्ट 500 रुपए की मिल रही है. हाँ, उसको बनाने में 12 रुपए लगे थे ब्रो. तो तेको जो लग रहा है ना कि अरे वाओ.
This
तो
marketing psychology is also that, na, ki there is one is ki 99, the other is they just chipkao all new formula, new.
हाँ.
Like मैं अभी we bought one new toilet cleaner उसपे all new formula.
all new.
But
So is this tested because the earlier formula worked well? This is a new formula. Do we wait a few years till this
Yeah.
becomes acceptable formula?
to be honest, I was okay with the old formula also. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
तो ज्यादा ही हो गया भाई.
But ये वो करते हैं ना, like if you want to get somebody to buy, you have more chance of them buying it if you say low maintenance instead of high performance.
हाँ. In India, mostly in India.
That's one of the things they use also. The
Low
high
maintenance
performance
over high
word किसी को नहीं
performance.
पता. तू
I
बोला
will
low
I will
maintenance?
personally go, yeah, I will go with low maintenance over high performance.
Dude, one of the selling points of the EVs is also that, right? तेरा मेंटेनेंस क्या है? तू मेरा जो ऑटोमेटिक पेट्रोल गाड़ी है उसमें चलाने के बाद उसको दो रिपेयर के लिए ये खराब हो गया इंजन, ये ऑयल, वो फैन, ये पता नहीं 50 मैं तो देते जाता हूँ, राइट? बट इन एन ईवी फॉर एग्जांपल द फैक्ट दैट इज लो मेंटेनेंस वेयर यू
दो ever ready battery and your
बस खत्म. चार्ज पे रख दे उसको.
किराने के स्टोर पे जाके आज 9 वोल्ट बैटरी दे. आज महाबलेश्वर तक
गाड़ी
जाना
टच करने का था. उन लोगों ने दिया मालूम है एक. सो फनी टू जस्ट थिंक कि मेरे को बता रहा था ना गाड़ी में ये वो है, फिर उसने बोला कि अच्छा ये भी एक पोर्टेबल चार्जर है जो तू अभी किधर गया तो तेरे को लिटरली वो 9 वोल्ट वाला कुछ तो एक सॉकेट होता है, इसी तरह फ्रिज चलता है.
हाँ.
वो फ्रिज वाले इसको आपने प्लग कर और उसको आगे गाड़ी में डाल.
But
16 घंटे में
wouldn't a stepney battery do better? Like जैसा गाड़ी में स्टेपनी होता है वहां पे एक एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी है which will help you go for another 100 kilometers or something in an emergency.
और क्या उसको चार्ज करके चलाते रहो कि आगे वो बैटरी लटक कर रही है. अरे मस्त. देखो वो होता है ना बैटरी पैक. बैटरी पैक से फोन को कनेक्ट करके लटक दे.
No, but how many things people have to charge nowadays, right? I feel so fucking bad कि तू फोन चार्ज कर रहा है, वॉच चार्ज कर रहा है, तेरा एयरपॉड्स, आईपैड,
मैं सिर्फ
कार.
चार्ज नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी.
I wanted to buy a charging dock because I know Thakur and Neville are Apple. So it's like it's a charging dock for your phone, watch, AirPods, all in one. So ऐसे करके बिस्तर के बगल में तुम. But it's the fact that these exist now, which is just सब कुछ एक से ऐसे on all wireless charging and shit like
But
that.
we were just joking about this. So we started this podcast 30 minutes late because Varun couldn't find his charger.
Yeah, bro.
So
Yeah,
So
I still can't find it. निकिता का लैपटॉप यूज कर रहा हूँ भाई, कि तुम मेरे को याद दिला दिया अभी.
so
मैं
if you work at Apple, please make a thing called Find My Charger. जिधर तू
मैं डबल पैसा दूं.
it starts it starts beeping. No, it just starts shouting, Varun, इधर आ. Warmer,
Or
warmer.
I'll pay double the feature if it just walks to me and just goes cut and just plugs itself, comes and then plugs into my laptop and just fucking stays there. And once it's done, shuts my laptop, puts it in my case, puts it in the cupboard.
Bro, ये आने वाला है, ये आने वाला है.
1299.
Give it 3 weeks.
1299. भाई अभी मैंने एक न्यूज देखा, उन लोग एप्पल विजन प्रो पहन के इंडिया में कुछ ऑपरेशन कर रहे थे पब्लिक.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब you can wirelessly connect to a robot and the robot will do the operation and stuff.
Oh, dude, 1 second. Speaking of, so I recently saw this video. Okay. This was the founder of Bumble who was talking about this. So she was asked, what is the future of dating apps, dating, etc. in the age of AI? So she's like, oh, it's going to be great because now you will be able to speak to your AI dating assistant. Okay. And the dating assistant will give you tips about, what you should look for, etc. Then she says, you know what, if you want to take it one step further, here's what we'll do. We'll create something called a dating concierge. Okay. Who will be like this assistant type character only, but the AI will date other AI. Okay. So AIs are dating each other and figuring out.
बैठा है ऐसे lonely कि भाई मेरे को तो मिल भी नहीं है क्या.
This is her. This is
Yeah,
literally
she
her.
said- She said it. She's like, the AI will date other AIs and then they will filter out whoever is the best candidate based on your preferences. And then, so instead of swiping on 100 people and having conversations,
अच्छा वैसे.
your AI assistant tells you कि ये 3 है तेरे vibe में. मैंने
Yich.
बात किया.
नहीं, मेरे को लग रहा है
मेरे
maybe
AI ने
वो
उसके AI
बात
को
नहीं.
डेट कर लिया.
Yich. Yeah.
तो फिर there's
AI,
nothing left for me to discover in this person. क्योंकि AI के बोले देख उसको ये वो ऐसे ऐसे है, फिर सडनली बोला नहीं यार लेकिन मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए. या where is
नहीं,
that?
Yich.
या यही
Yich.
चाहिए. यार फक
Yich.
ब्रो उसका ऐसा ऐसा. ओ फक फिर और ये लड़की चाहिए.
dude, but can you imagine how bad you will feel if not just you, but तेरे AI को भी match नहीं मिल रहा. AI पे भी left swipe सब.
It's like sir मेरे को जॉब छोड़ना है. Please मेरे को जॉब छोड़ने दो.
Now there's 2 lonely people. There's you and your.
Dude, you and then the lonely AI bro. इसके ऐसे AI बैठा है.
No, by the way,
बस पूरा नॉलेज है, सब कहाँ से भी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अकेले नहीं यार. वो मेरी AI ने मुझे ना बोल दिया.
Imagine if your AI has a एक तरफा प्यार and वो अभी आशिक मजनू बन के बैठा है.
फिर AI बोला हम लोग क्या करें, फिर हम लोग आते ह्यूमन भाई देख मैं तेरा असिस्टेंट.
but apparently this has happened.
What?
Now there is an app that allows AI to hire human beings
What?
to do the task that the AI has been assigned to do. So the app allows the AI to hold credits, and those credits can be given to other people. So suppose Siddhi is a designer. She's a designer that's registered on that app that will accept those tokens in exchange for money. So now the AI is allowed to hand a job that Varun has given the AI for a job, and the AI doesn't have the bandwidth to do it at the time. It can hire Siddhi to do the job and give her the token.
AI के पास टाइम नहीं है. AI के पास टाइम नहीं है. क्या कर रहे हैं AI? What are
The
you
bandwidth.
doing AI?
AI Netflix देख रहा है.
It's like नहीं मेरे को पंकज के लिए डेट ढूंढने का यार, तू ये हैंडल कर डिजाइनिंग का काम.
No, by the way, did you know this? So there was one Amazon Fresh store or something like that where they used to have a self checkout.
Yeah, I went.
ये
बहुत
Seattle
मजा
में
आता
था.
है.
तो वो लोग I mean, and they touted it as self checkout powered
Yeah.
by AI.
Hmm.
बाद में पता चला कि AI was actually one team of Indians who were working remotely.
Who are literally seeing
Yes.
what you're scanning. Oh fuck. That's hilarious.
It's so dumb.
इधर इंडिया में बैठे थे पब्लिक.
Yes. The AI was actually just a team of
तो लोग ऐसे स्कैन कर रहे हैं, ये इधर बैठ के add to cart कर रहा है. ये क्या
बेचारे यार.
But it is so insulting. Imagine being on that team and being called artificial intelligence.
You think all AI is just people sitting in India somewhere
think so.
The thing is, we'll realize this till we don't reach the last country. Because you can keep making, no, you realize all the AI here is actually people from another country. Then you keep going, till you reach the final भी एकदम भी पहुंच के भी Madagascar. देख भाई, AI नहीं है, ठीक है, हम लोग ही थे. There is no AI. ये प्रवीण, पंकज, मनोज, महेश, मैं, हम 12 लोग हैं, ठीक है. हम थक चुके हैं पूरी दुनिया के सवालों के जवाब दे के. मुझे चिल करना है, मुझे डेट पे जाना है.
But
तो
Varun,
वो भी AI कर रहा है यार. और
one second.
ये
You think
ऑक्टोपस से कॉफी बना यार.
you think अगर जब सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार आएगा तो तू बॉनेट खोलेगा तो उसके अंदर भी एक आदमी
एक बंदा बैठा हुआ है. सर सॉरी थोड़ा पानी मिल जाएगा प्लीज.
सब चूतिया बना रहे एक दूसरे को.
और वरुण गुस्सा हो रहा है कि इन लोग ने तो
मानसिक
बोला था लो
technology
मेंटेनेंस है,
has
इसको भी
progressed
पानी
to-
खाना देना पड़ता है.
Then you realize they were, ये सब इलॉन सब जानबूझ के ऐसे हाइप कर रहे थे. अरे अपन ऐसे बोलेंगे AI will take over, तो सबको लगे will just. It's like, have you watched that movie Wag the Dog?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where they create a fake war. This one president is going to go out of power, so he needs the numbers, needs to be up in the polls and shit like that. So he creates a fake war.
Yeah. In an
And
obscure East
captain of that.
European, East European
Yeah,
country.
and how
Oh my
America
God.
saving. It's a damn good.
Oh God, it's reflecting, damn.
oh, by the way, so talking of more
अच्छा एक
dystopia.
और
हाँ, बोला,
एक डेटिंग ऐप का मेरे पास अभी तक है. How people are using dating apps to their advantage. So apparently there was this girl
As opposed to.
no, wait. There's a girl who found a match on a dating app. Great conversation with the guy, and she went on the date to this. He asked her to come to this one restaurant, and she goes, it's like, oh, the guy's taking charge. He knows where to call me. He's planned a night out, which is something that my wife has complained to me when we started dating. कि you should make decisions, take me out and things like that. तो उसको एक restaurant में बुलाया. So he called her at this restaurant at this particular street. Really nice find. जाके बैठी है वो, and he ditched her. Didn't come. So then she's like, okay, screw it. Then she ordered like a pizza and had a drink. And she said, I'm still going to enjoy myself. And she went back home. Then she went on Facebook and started going, I got stood up on my date. And I went to this restaurant. And then a woman commented, I also got stood up on my date. I went to this restaurant. And then ऐसे करके there's like
ये restaurant के marketing team है कौन है?
तो restaurant ने एक bot create किया है that is going
Bot?
and right swiping women and having a conversation with them based on their likes and their bio and stuff like that, inviting them to the restaurant, and 99% they will eat something and then go.
Bro, there are people like real, actual human beings out there not getting matches और इस bot को match भी मिल रहा है, conversation भी हो रहा
There
है.
are genuine guys who are friend zoned because she liked this dude because
This bot.
he takes charge and he. Shit, yaar. That's so sad. Dude, like, but this restaurant will go to I don't know what extent. They'll
Yeah,
give you like discounts. Did he stand you? We have a did he stand you up discount if you.
Oh, does this happen often? It's been happening a lot in my restaurant. I don't know
No.
why.
You enter as a woman, you enter this restaurant and you see कि सारे table पे सिर्फ one woman is sitting. And all of you are just eating one sad pizza.
ये restaurant का बहुत ही specific clientele है यार.
This bot is only a dude bot. They've not created a girl bot because I would assume
It's way more easier.
Way more
easier
lucrative,
because
yeah.
dudes are just right swiping even on.
And they'll land up anywhere.
Point भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
Sir, आप ऐप के लोडिंग पेज पे हो, आप किसको राइट स्वाइप करते हैं? नहीं कुछ मिस हो जाएगा तो सर अभी फिलहाल आपका फोन
कुछ रह गया.
नहीं थोड़ा ये मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने दो, कोई मिस हो जाए तो.
Guys go on Tinder like they want to finish it. Yeah, they want to finish Tinder.
No, and honestly, guys will land up anywhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
If a girl, if a bot, if anybody
Even if
tells
it's a
them,
dumb bot, even if it's a dumb bot, all the bot has to do is, hey, you want to go for restaurant here? Dudes are just showing up, yeah. I'll show up.
Acha, speaking of showing up, there was this one dude in New York. Okay, yeah, and because everything is, अरे Eiffel Tower पे photo लो, date पे भी जा रहे तो खाने का photo लो, everything. So this guy basically put up a poster of himself in New York with a mask on, He's like, I am going to eat this entire box of cheese balls. Meet me at Times Square at 11:45 in the morning. And a crowd of hundreds of people gathered there to watch him eat a whole box of cheese balls. Performance art max.
Performance art में सच्ची चीज बॉल खा रहा है.
But it's the
This is
excitement of
Anderson
watching.
performance art thing he's doing.
He turned it into an event. He turned it into an event.
Bro,
It's just-
I feel like the sillier the thing is that you ask people to come for, the more they'll come
Yeah.
to the thing.
And this is the poster he put up. Just watch me eat a bag of cheese balls.
And the thing is, he's not lying. There's no
Yeah.
lie.
Yeah,
Like if you show up, he's actually delivering exactly what he promised.
yeah. And people are losing their shit. वो बस खा रहा है वो बस दबा के.
Okay, it's time to come clean. Guys, it was me.
Wait 1 second, guys. If y'all want to see Kautuk eat a full bag of Jawar puffs,
Come to Hyderabad.
come to the Hyderabad show. And no, even other countries, the cities, wherever, other
Yeah.
states will come everywhere. Kautuk is going to eat 100 Jawar puffs.
By the way, if you
Show
want,
जवाहर पफ्स और अपलॉज ब्रेक पुणे में 500 लोग ताली मार रहे हैं. हम लोगों ने जवाहर पफ्स बोला है सिर्फ. love this is folklore, not folklore, but क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
mythology.
Inside jokes. Mythology.
हाँ, mythology, that's the word.
No, so I wanted to talk to you guys about this thing. Okay. So here's the age we live in. All right. So there is a resort in Maldives who provide a service called an Instagram butler. Okay. So,
Instagram पे butler.
nahi, it's an Instagram butler. So you check into this resort in the Maldives and you can ask at the reception, I would like to avail the services of the Instagram butler. Okay.
He'll
So-
shoot for you.
Yeah, he'll shoot for you and he knows the best spots in the resort. He knows how to get you to pose properly. He knows what are the right hashtags, right? So he takes you around the property, shows you the best places to take pictures, etc., etc. Helps you post it. And the funniest part of this was, who is this guy? He's just the most technologically savvy person in the staff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so not like a photographer or something.
No.
He's just
Not even a social media person. No.
He's just a guy.
tech savvy. The problem with pictures in Maldives is not I can't upload it. It's can you tell me how to take the nicest picture? That is the key. Na to upload तो मुझे भी आता है भाई.
No. So obviously, so the thing is, Butler not only takes you on
खड़ा
a
रहे,
tour.
अच्छा angle ले.
Yeah, so he guides you on the best pose, the right camera angles to click astonishing photos.
Best pose. I love this. I want to experience Instagram butler, but I wouldn't mind somebody who's taking the pictures. तू भाई photo ले.
By the way, Adar, that thing of AI handing out work, right? So some guy did something else, okay? Not AI, but so basically this guy came up with, he's a inventor called Jin Rekimoto, who
Okay.
came up with a thing called the human Uber.
हाँ.
भाई उसको
Now-
पिट्टू बोलते हैं. उसको लेके कंधे पे चले.
No. So say you have a task or you have a social engagement and you can't physically make it for whatever reason. So you hire a dude. This guy has a helmet on and on the helmet is stuck one screen.
Of yours.
It's a screen और फिर तू screen पे तेरा face है but body किसी और का है.
Oh shit.
और वो सब जगह जाके चल के लोगों से मिलता है और फिर तू बात करता है स्क्रीन से.
So we could have just Uber.
वो अपने घर पे बैठा है ऐसे चीज बॉल खाते हुए. क्या मजा आ रहा है तुमको उधर? मैंने को पहले ही बोला था ये बोरिंग होने वाला है. प्ले क्यों जा रहा है?
So we could have just Uber Bawad today.
Yeah. Yeah.
ये बट फिर भी बाबा के थोबड़ा होता ना खांसते हुए. बाबा has spoken in coughs. We asked him कैसा है इसको. He said, समझ गए.
We could have actually gotten a human Uber and had Adar be there in the show with
Oh yeah.
just one guy sitting next to us with his face.
just me fighting with him. अरे नहीं ये chord नहीं बजाना है, मैं उसको गिटार भी बजाना सिखाना. But you could find someone who could play the guitar. That will also be good.
नहीं वो प्रीमियम पैकेज में है, चूते इतने सब थोड़ी कर रहे हैं, फिलहाल सिर्फ एक बॉडी है.
You know what the best part about this is, this inventor Jin Rekimoto, he says ki he's talking about his invention and he says it's surprisingly natural.
Wow, dude, this guy's never been out. I think the pitch for this idea also was he sent some other guy. He was shut in, Rekimoto. इसको बाहर नहीं निकलना है, इसको अंदर ही बैठे रहना है. मैं अपने कंप्यूटर के साथ ही बैठे रहता हूँ, मुझे बाहर जाना पसंद नहीं है.
तो एक सेकंड इसका एआई दूसरे एआई को डेट करता है
डेट
और
कर
फिर डेट पे ये एक ह्यूमन उबर भेजता है.
उमर
And that date is to a restaurant where he's getting scammed.
स्कैम. तो सब उन लोग कैंसिल आउट हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि बॉट इसको चुतिया बना रहा है, ये बॉट को चुतिया बना रहा है. क्यों? मैं तो हुई नहीं भाई, मैं तो घर पे हूँ. तो टेक्निकली यू डिडंट स्टैंड मी अप, यू स्टूड दिस गाय अप. क्या प्रवीण, जा घर पे, कोई है नहीं इधर, नहीं आ रही है, चल. ओके, कूल कूल कूल.
But the level of laziness, okay, this is a man skipped work for 6 years and no one noticed until he won an award. Wait, this is Neville Shah's post. Wait, sorry, wrong.
I don't understand. One second. If he skipped work for 6 years, तो उसको अवार्ड क्या मिला?
Attendance.
So it just tells you how meaningless these HR awards are.
Yeah.
सबको एक एक मिलता है.
वो उन लोग का फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड है.
हाँ.
आपको अवार्ड मिलेगा, आप इस कंपनी में काम करते हो, हाँ, आप सांस ले रहे हो, हाँ, आइए अवार्ड के लिए आइए.
Yeah, awards.
Wow, he got found out for an award. That's amazing. That is amazing.
Good.
What bad luck that is.
तो ऐसे ऐसे ये उसने भेजना चाहिए था ह्यूमन उबर.
Yeah.
हाँ. Dude, there was one guy, उसने he wanted to quit his job. ये इंडिया का है, तो उसको क्विट करना था, तो उसने एक पूरा ब्रास बैंड और ढोल मंगाया.
Oh
To tell his
yeah.
boss, I quit, and ढोल बज रहा है और ताली मार के नाचते नाचते क्विट कर रहा है जॉब.
अभी उसको पता नहीं है, वो वायरल हो गया है. अभी वो दूसरे जॉब के लिए जा रहा है, उसके दूसरे एम्प्लॉयर देख रहे, बोले भाई देख, सॉरी, आपको तो नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि आप पिछले जॉब छोड़ने के बाद जो हल्ला मचाए हो.
आपका एग्जिट इंटरव्यू काफी धमाकेदार था सर.
मजा है, लेकिन सबको मजा है.
Dude, this is a photograph that I found on the internet. It was so beautiful. Okay, so this is basically some guy has taken what he has done is basically on Google, right? You can review places and things like that, right?
हाँ.
So
Like a
this guy,
restaurant or a city.
so this guy has reviewed a police station.
Terrible experience. No midnight menu. This is no staff after 12 p.m.
तो उसने एक फोटो लेके डाल दिया है और 4 स्टार दिया है.
4 star दिया है.
4 स्टार दिया है. बोलता है got arrested for not carrying my identity card, but they treated me very well. Cells are spacious.
क्योंकि कोई चोर पकड़े जाने के पहले बोल रहा है कि भाई आजू बाजू के पुलिस स्टेशन का देख ले, रियल एस्टेट कैसा है.
बोलता है food was okay, but rice for 3 times is a bit boring. Handcuffs were a bit corroded.
3 times.
Yeah, they gave him rice 3 times, no? Three meals.
Yeah. I really appreciated the turn down service at 4 p.m. और turn down मतलब उसको ही पकड़ के turn down कर.
You know, he wants other people to go there, but he can't say it's bad. So he's like, the deconstructed sushi was very nice 3 times. 3 times deconstructed sushi. तो पब्लिक बोल रहे, अरे यहाँ पर चोरी करते हैं भाई, इतने सुशी दे रहे हैं. तेरे क्या तो ऐसे चावल पड़ा हुआ है.
Full value for money. If you buy their first degree, it still feels like third degree.
Third degree.
Overall, nice experience.
This is a rando holiday news that I found.
Holiday news.
Holiday news, because everybody deserves a holiday, and human beings, like हम लोग जाते हैं, हम लोग बैंकॉक में मसाज कराते हैं, foot massage. My favorite thing is foot massage. So why should lions be left behind?
Hmm?
So there is a man
What?
who doesn't hunt lions.
What?
This guy called Alex Laurenti goes and massages lions' feet
This is not a job.
in the wild.
Voluntarily.
He goes to wild lions and massages, gives them foot massages. And I tell you, the photographs of the lions are absolute
Dikha?
bliss.
Dikha?
It's just, I have never seen a lion enjoy themselves so much.
Oh,
क्या
I have
तो
not
मस्त,
seen Begu this relaxed, dude.
ये क्या तो मजे आ रहे लायंस को.
Oh,
Wow, bro, what?
bro, lions पहुंच
What?
जाएंगे ना अभी.
But you know,
और
just hold
रेंजर
it
के
ना, मेरा
पास.
मालूम है, मेरा अंदर से एक ड्रीम है कि लायन का ऐसा पूरा सर है ना, एक बार ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ने. ओ फक, मेरा अगर सर नहीं
और लायन का भी ड्रीम है कि तेरा भी सर ऐसा
तेरा भी
पकड़
सर ऐसा पकड़, बट वो मुंह से पकड़ेगा, हाथ से नहीं.
पकड़े. क्या मस्त होते हैं यार ऐसे बड़े, ऐसे पकड़ो उसको.
But can you imagine these lions just walking up to the forest rangers? Like, भाई वो foot massage वाला, उसका
आज
कुछ
एक
नंबर, उसका कुछ.
कांटेक्ट है क्या? सच थोड़ा काम पे जाने का मन नहीं हो रहा था. अभी कल ही हिरन को पकड़ा मैंने, थोड़ा पैर दुख रहा है.
मेरे को ये जानना है कि ये बंदे को, मेरे में ये टैलेंट है, ये कब मालूम पड़ा?
So
ये कब मालूम पड़ा इसको कि मैं लायंस को अच्छे से मसाज कर सकता हूँ?
he was a
एक को हाथ इसको
conservationist.
जाना चाहिए था भाई.
No,
कोई तो हाथ लेना चाहिए.
he's a conservationist, and what he was doing was he was trying to help them. He was trying to put paw cream on them to protect them. And then he realized when I was putting the paw cream for infections on
इनको तो
these
बहुत
lions,
मजा आ रहा है.
these guys were losing their shit.
लो ऐसे कि थोड़ा थोड़ा और थोड़ा लेफ्ट पे थोड़ा प्रेशर डालना, थोड़ा सा
तो
pressure.
इसने देखा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, करियर शिफ्ट. This
But this is nice that he's into conservation and everything.
yeah.
It's like a real good happy ending to the story. By the way, speaking of animals and this thing, so there's a farmer in Turkey, okay, who had cows, and
What?
he had cows, guy.
Cow.
Huh? So we used to keep these cows in their cow shed, right? Now, what he did is he fitted his cows with virtual reality goggles.
अबे ये क्या चल रहा है?
Which is
निकाल दो
Apple Vision.
चश्मे, मत सब चश्मे निकाल दो अभी, बस गाय को भी नहीं छोड़ा है अपन ने
You
यार.
know, he put VR headsets on the cow and what he played videos of a meadow.
Meadow,
Okay,
yes,
open
yes, I remember reading
pasture.
this. Yes, yes.
Okay, so to make them think that they're outside in summer pastures. He found that the cows were producing more milk and were happier. So cow metaverse में.
मजा आ रहा है भाई, मजा आ रहा है.
cow मोटावर्स में, मोटावर्स.
Nice.
So what is this? What is this thing that we're living in?
ये क्या मार्केट है? ये क्या
बकरी पे
market है?
डालेगा,
क्या
बकरी पे डालेगा.
नहीं देती? Don't worry, Apple brings you new Vision Pro. But sir,
Now for-
गाय पे डालो.
Yeah, but Apple for sheep, metaverse.
Ah, very good. Never ending.
वो बोल रहा है कि सर मैं आपका विजन प्रो तो ले लूंगा, लेकिन आपके विजन प्रो जितने का है उतने में मैं 16 गाय ले सकता हूँ सर एक्चुअली. तो I don't know if it is cost effective.
Dude, so there is this also you will love. You will love this. Okay. So there is a smart toilet. Okay.
Of course.
Now
I know this.
wait. Some guy has shared a screenshot. I'll just read it out. Ready? You are attempting to flush your Lotus smart toilet. Your requested authorization code is 371.
Oh no, the OTP will.
There's more. OTP भेजा है. Then they say, Lotus will never call to ask for this code. Please do not share this code with anybody.
But you get only one flush per OTP. Then you have to apply for another OTP to flush a second time.
Bro,
Yes.
the worst is some scammer has figured out a way to call people. हाँ सुनो, मैं लोटस अंडा से बोल रहा हूँ. आपके इधर जो OTP आया होगा जरा अरे
सर आपने आज सुबह किया था लेकिन खाली एक बार फ्लश किया, एक और बार करना है प्लीज, आप अपना ओटीपी दो, या आपके नाम का ही फ्लश लेगा.
No, but this also implies that there is a customer service wing who has to take calls.
You're
Sir,
on
OTP आया नहीं है
not
sir.
flashing. Okay, sir. Let me first start by checking your user ID. Is your name? Yeah. Your address? Okay. All right. Now, can you tell me the consistency? The water pressure depends on the sir. Have you tried control alt delete once? Yeah.
Have you washed it? Have you washed, sir? You have to wash before you flush.
Because the truth is, right, sometimes you have to flush 2-3 times, right? तो मैंने कि
Yeah.
कितना OTP भेज रहा है? It's still floating, guys. It's still floating.
मैल फंक्शन हो जाएगा भाई, इंडिया में आएगा तो मैल फंक्शन हो जाएगा इधर अपने एक बड़े मील के बाद. तो मेरे को कस्टमर केयर के साथ ही रहना पड़ेगा. हेलो, यस, या आई एम इन द लू नाउ, जस्ट स्टे ऑन द लाइन.
Yeah. Now we are married. Now we are married and we will spend the rest of our lives together.
आज
So do they get the potty tea?
Oh!
potty tea, very well done. Speaking of potty tea, new Chinese toilet paper dispenser. Okay, so this is in public loos and stuff like that. In China, they've got a toilet paper dispenser, and it basically you have to watch a 30-second ad before it gives you toilet paper.
क्या है यार?
जंगली रमी.
जंगली रमी आ रहा है. Oh fuck.
सर मेरा जंगली रनी हो रहा है.
Wow.
Dude, they might do this with water also बाद में. अगर तू मग्गा लेके खड़ा है,
100%.
suppose they
100%.
install this in our houses. Like
Yeah,
every time
smart-
you have to go
smart
wash
toilet.
your hands. Yeah,
Yeah.
so you have to go wash your hands. It's like, oh shit, अभी रुको 30 second का ad. Then you have to buy water premium.
Yeah.
Shit, फिर भी लोग प्रीमियम ले लेंगे. सब बोलेंगे छोड़, हाथ ही नहीं धोता मैं, छोड़ना,
अरे
छोड़, मैं देखूंगा आधा घंटा. आने दे, आने दे, दूंगा अपने बालों पे.
अरे यार.
Man, the future is wild.
Yeah.
हाँ, other. Do you have any others?
Okay, so there's this weird experiment, but नहीं रुक जा एक second. हाँ, sorry. The scientists at Princeton University have reconstructed. They've created a 3D model of the first man ever.
Oh,
So
and that looks
technically-
like Vin Diesel.
It looks exactly like Vin Diesel. It's just
Yeah,
a
yeah.
computer algorithm that created it.
Oh,
and
that's
it
Vin
looks like
Vin Diesel also, by the way, if you hear his dialogue delivery, it sounds like he's the first man.
He sounds like, yeah, sounds
Yeah.
like, you know, वो पहले बार होमो सेपियंस ने एक दूसरे से बात किया होगा ना.
and they were all about creating more numbers and advancing the species. So that's why family.
But wait, like, I mean, when they wrote the character of Groot, and they were like, who is the one guy we can get who only speaks one word?
One word, yeah.
Win को phone करो जल्दी.
15 million. He made $15 million.
By being an animated block of wood.
That's fine. Even Robin Williams did that. But 3-word line.
Oh yeah, that's true. Again and again and again.
I am Groot. Speaking of superhero movies, I just watched Madame Web.
Oh, you saw it?
Oh, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरे को देखना है. अब मैं इसके बाद बैठ के देखूंगा. I will ruin my night and I'll watch it right now.
You were in the Amazon researching spiders right before you died.
Yeah, dude. Do you remember that? She
Yeah.
actually, this is the actual sentence in the fucking trailer. And like Dakota Johnson looks like she's just reading. Someone's standing there with a script and she's just like reading it.
Akshaying it.
Akshaying
Akshay
it.
it full.
No, I don't think any of them care. क्या बे चल दे खत्म. एक दो कुछ फाइट सीक्वेंस है एंड में. वो स्पाइडर के अंदर अलग अलग पावर्स है, but she gets power of the mind because it's just so bad. It's horrible. I don't know why I wasted time. Because we were in the mood, because Nikita's sick, so we were in the mood for, like, you know, big budget Hollywood movie.
What can we do to push her off the edge? What can we do? ये already बीमार है. क्या कर सकते हैं इसको? कि full pass out हो जाए.
But by the way, in case you haven't seen it, guys, Madam Web is a disaster class. Like it's worse than Morbius, and Morbius was pretty bad.
It's the
was
same
very
writers.
bad.
Yeah,
It's the same writers.
yeah.
और शैतान हवेली
They
का
had four
सीजन 2
writers.
नहीं है.
They had 4 writers and they came up with this.
Must.
Wow. Chalo. And we had 3 people and we came up with this podcast. On that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. Sorry, Baba wasn't there. He'll join us for the next ones. And yeah, we were discussing a whole bunch of crazy, dystopian, futuristic, and pointless inventions, along with a whole bunch of other stuff. Hope you guys like the episode. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And sorry, this week we came late, but we will try and make sure we keep coming on time all the time. And enjoy the episodes, enjoy the vlogs. थोड़ा उसमें engagement दे दो तो फिर थोड़ा vlogs भी ऊपर आए. And we are really having fun doing it, so we want to make sure we continue. And one guaranteed way to make sure we continue is if we see engagement. So please give.
Yeah. Also, by the way, if and when you do come across such tidbits, information, news articles, etc., please just DM them to us. It's
Yeah,
genuinely,
भेजते
it
रहो,
really,
भेजते रहो.
it's a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आता है. Like I keep getting a lot of like Salman का duplicate जब भी upload करता है ना.
सलमान और शाहरुख का
शाहरुख का
डुप्लीकेट.
शाहरुख का
बहुत.
डुप्लीकेट आफ्टर पठान ही इज बिकम लाइक सो ऑन पॉइंट, पता ही नहीं चलता है.
Because वो रियल शाहरुख है, bro.
या गाइस,
yes.
हैदराबाद का टिकट
Oh, yes.
खरीदो एंड कौतुक विल कम ऑन स्टेज ऑन फायर. We will light Kautuk on fire as he walks on stage and eats jawar puffs. Jawar puff, roasted jawar puffs from his own back.
Good. Can't wait to see that. Chalo. On that note, it's goodbye from us. Take care. Bye bye. Salame ish.
Hold up.
Okay. अबे बंद करना.